Today is the day where I, Nathaniel, present to you something we've been working on for 3 years. This is not just another CPU water block. This is the best water block Alphacool has ever created, and it comes in a very clean and stable box. It looks so professional, and when you open it, you see all the details here, like the manual, and now look at it. This is so impressive. And I'm going to show you all the details of these two new water blocks in this video right now. I know that you want to see it uncovered as fast as possible, but let's go step by step. First, we have a manual. Alphacool has improved its manual. It's now in 3 languages. We have lots of images here. This helps a lot even for beginners. So next is the mounting accessories here. It is for AMD and Intel. And you can see how good it looks. We have new covers here for the screws. Watch these images here, just how good it looks. And here is the water block. But what do we have here? A cable. This is high quality premium sleeved cable, and this is for the illumination of the logo that we have here in the middle. And now we uncover the water block itself. This is how it looks. And I'm just giving the black one also to you here. Here it is. And that's the new Alphacool Eisblock. So why did it take us 3 years to develop this amazing water block? It's because we wanted to have the best of the best of the best. So we looked for manufacturers who were able to produce this aluminum cover without scratches. It looks so good, it looks so well, and it even feels great. The next is the Illuminated Logo here. We had to search for LED manufacturers who could do it in a small but very shiny way. Then a high sleeving cable. Everything was resourced for you to have the best water block ever. The next thing is the bottom. You can see here, when you remove this pad here, this looks so good, and it is a very clean, shining surface. Even the screws are in the color of the bottom. And last but not least, we are looking into modern computers. We are looking for PC enthusiasts. And this is only 2 colors, yes, but we also have other colors. You can change the top. You can change even the position of the top. So if you want to have the cable here or here, you can change it depending on the in and out. And you can even color this or paint it yourself. But we also have some colors like white, red, blue that you can already purchase to give you an individual look for your next modding build. Now I want to give you a closer look to it and to the modding options, because you can change the logo to orange, green, white and red if you want it. And this is how the mounting system looks. You have different covers depending on the color, and if you purchase the blue, for example, the blue top, you will get also the mounting brackets and the covers in blue. So this looks so good. Imagine a blue cooler with a white logo, for example. You can make your own imaginations, but this is how it works. You can just plug it in from the right and the left. You can even turn it around. However, that's it. That's it. It's so easy and it looks so good. You just put it in. Anyone can do it. Except me. Yeah. So this is the water block, how it looks, and now finally you just have this here, like it looks just like it's perfect design. It is made for your next computer. It is made for modding enthusiasts, and it's made for people who want technology engineered in Germany, because in our German research center we have been testing hundreds of different options how the water will flow, and this I will show you now. Let's look at the amazing technical details now. First, the distance between these 2 threads is so big that you can even use 19mm fittings here. And we have a very big inlet and outlet, and also the water flow in the inside is high flow compatible. We have 81 different slits in the bottom with a distance of 0.2 millimeters. So this is a very high technology bottom plate in the inside. And now this bottom plate is so big that the area where the water flows through, not just the bottom plate, but you know, this is the bottom plate and you have an area of water flow in the slits. This area is so big that it covers 6, 8 or 10 core CPU blocks. How is that possible? Yeah, we've been working, German engineering, on this for years. How? We tested the water flow when it comes out of the injection holes or the injection slit. How does the water come out? And how does an inlet that is from one side affect the water pressure? No one ever thought about this. We did. And so we engineered a system like a ramp. The water goes in and it is then moved like a ramp so that it comes really in the center from the top. This solved the first problem of the side flow of the water pressure. But when it comes in, normally in the middle, you have most of the pressure. Like this, you go in, yeah, maybe it's so big, and you have, here is so much pressure, and the outer fins, there's close to zero pressure and water flow. And if you have a very low water flow in the outer areas, but a big water flow in the middle, this doesn't make sense. Why? Because double water flow does not mean double cooling performance. It's a logarithmic function that means if you have an increase in water flow, it's only little increase in cooling. But if you have a decrease of like 50%, you have a massive like 80% decrease of cooling performance. So the outer areas of standard CPU water blocks have very low cooling performance and only in the middle. We solved it. We have a second ramp that is in the pre-chamber, and it diverts the water to the right and to the left so that we have a constant pressure on the whole injection slit. And this is, from what I know, the first in the world, and that's why we patented it. So Alphacool is a company that is thinking into the future. We are working, we're real engineers. We just are so into this topic and we wanted to make a real big step. And this water block is like about 3 degrees better than the prior best water block from Alphacool. And we're really looking into how this will stand against other #1 water blocks from other brands. And this will be very interesting, and you can check this. Reviews are coming soon. So all in all, this is the best water block Alphacool ever created. And you've been looking about the Alphacool I series, the new premium high quality best ever series from Alphacool since about 12 months. We are releasing product after product. And you've been asking, when will there be the water block for the CPU? Here now it is. Yes, we are closing this gap and more products are to follow soon. So not just to mention this is a product for now, but it is also for the future, because this is also compatible for the new AMD Zen Socket 4. So if you get it now, you will be safe to use it also in a few years in the future. Yeah, this is all I want to say to you. I like it so much, and I've been also enclosed in the developing, in the engineering process. So also some of my heart is in this water block, and you can have it so that also it becomes a part of your heart. Yeah, enjoy it, have a great day, goodbye.